Every day, your business may have dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of electronic documents that need to be saved and processed. These could range from orders arriving by email to output from ERP or CRM systems, among other methods. As the world is decreasing its reliance on paper, the amount of electronic information your business needs to process increases every year. How can Therefore help you manage this information? It's simple. The Therefore Content Connector was developed as a tool to automate the process of saving and indexing your business's electronic information. The Content Connector works as a service to automatically save and index information without any user interaction, which means it frees up employees' valuable time for more strategic tasks. Let's take a look at some of the scenarios the Content Connector can help with. One of the main features of the Therefore Content Connector is the ability to monitor input folders. Let's take a minute to look at the old way of doing things. An ERP system saves outgoing invoices to a folder with the invoice number as the file name. Since more and more invoices are saved into this folder every day, they need to eventually be indexed and archived. This can be done manually by dragging and dropping the documents into Therefore, but it takes a long time and risks errors which can result in missing or incorrect information. This can lead to serious consequences such as missed opportunities or displeased customers. The key to solving this problem is to automate the process of saving and indexing information. This can be achieved by using the Therefore Content Connector to monitor the folder where the documents are saved. By defining an indexing profile, we can tell the Content Connector where to get the information we want to use to index the document. After setting up a polling interval, the Content Connector service will regularly check the folder and save any documents that are currently in it. By letting the Content Connector save and index information into the Therefore archive, you can ensure that you'll quickly find the information you need exactly when you need it. Folder monitoring with the Therefore Content Connector can also be used to save and index other types of information, such as spool files, XMLs with style sheets, and even photographs. In addition, it's also possible to define a display form that can be used as a background when viewing text or XML files. Another great feature offered by the Therefore Content Connector is mailbox monitoring. As the name implies, this service can be configured to regularly check an email inbox and save and index its contents in Therefore. Let's take a look at the scenario of a mailbox used for incoming orders. Without mailbox monitoring, an employee needs to manually look at and process each incoming order. Needless to say, there's a lot of room for human error here, as it's hard to keep track of every single email in the mailbox. This means certain orders may be overlooked and not processed, resulting in lost business and negative customer relations. As before, the key to solving this problem is to automate the process. The Therefore Content Connector can monitor the order's mailbox and then automatically save emails and/or their attachments to Therefore. In conjunction with an email indexing profile, index data can also be automatically extracted from the email properties or even out of the email body. Once this information has been saved in Therefore, it can be used to start a workflow process for fulfilling the order. This reduction in errors means no more business will be lost to missing orders, and customer satisfaction can be ensured. With the Therefore Content Connector, you can automatically index and archive your document output, monitor a mailbox for incoming emails and automatically save them into Therefore, automatically start workflow processes, and improve your data management and customer service.